smells good. Cabbage and onions. Any onions in it yet?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'll saute my onion first.
Do this one. And this is spaghetti for the week. Well, this is just a sauce. Hey everyone, this is PhD Natural Me. Welcome back to my channel. It is a nice fall day. Daylight savings time actually happened, and I didn't even realize it. I completely forgot about it. I must be getting old. I was always on time. I changed when we had a house. We had clocks all over the house. So it was ding dong, click, clock, blah, 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 blah. It was all kind of sounds that were going off on the hour, on the half hour, to let me know what time it was. Well, I went to sleep last night and I woke up around 9-ish today, and I still didn't even realize it. My son, my husband told me my son was late for work, and I said, oh, he was late for work. That's unusual, because he's never late for work. Well, I think he missed the daylight savings time, and we fell back, you know, fall back, spring ahead. So we fell back. We gained an hour, and he still was late. So he was only late by a few minutes, but for him, being late is unusual. That's like me being late. I am the queen of early. I hate being late. Hate being late. But anyway, I gained an extra hour, so I'm happy about that. I'm not sure if I showed it before, but I might show it. I'm gonna move over here so I can put some pictures up right over here of the weekly prep of food that we've done this week. We feed the campsite, so you'll see a bunch of spaghetti. We have 1, 2, 3 containers of just sauce right now, and then we'll have the noodles. Just in the winter time, it's cool. My husband is known for being the campsite chef, and it's wonderful. The spaghetti, I eat some of it every now and then. I'm not a big spaghetti eater as I was before, but I will taste some now. And he's making chickens for me on the grill, on the Traeger. So that way I have something that I can eat keto wise. And cabbage, I love cabbage. Love cabbage. I thought he was cooking greens. It smelled like greens, but it was just the cabbage and the onions that he was cooking. So what do you do in the fall? I'm just curious. You know, do you have any special meals that you like to prepare? Or do you have meals that you like to share with people to make their day? I know we make the people's day here. You know, the one lady was watching my son while we were gone, and he's 18 years old, but you know, she kept an eye out for him, and we really appreciated that. So we know that she loves spaghetti, so we always make extra to make sure that she gets a nice pan full. I don't know if you see the leaves falling behind me, but it's definitely, the whole campsite is just full of leaves, and I think it's so beautiful. I know when we have to pick them up, they're not all that great, but I love seeing the trees turn colors and the leaves fall. It's so beautiful. What else is going on in my life? Well, nothing particular. I've been having some issues with my knee, so I'm working on a little bit of extra, trying to do a little extra walking and wearing a brace to see if that helps. But that's about it. So tell me, what's going on in your day? What's going on in your world? Let me know. I would love to hear about it. Stay healthy. Keep eating keto or whatever it is that makes you happy. Bye.